Romeu, and I'm the owner of the craft and jewelry making blog amyromeo.com. And I just wanted to take a moment to share with you how Jennifer Maker's Cut Above course has impacted my creative business and my life. Years ago, I worked for an Amazon t-shirt seller, and from her I learned the basics of using Illustrator and SVG cut files, but I didn't really learn how to make shapes or how to do anything complex with the SVG cut files, so I was really limited in my design skills. And when I started my blog, I had so many creative ideas and fun projects I wanted to make and share with my readers, and I just struggled to make the most basic shapes in Illustrator. So I decided to invest in myself and invest in my blog and enroll in Jennifer's course. And I'm so glad I did, because it really taught me everything I needed to know about designing my own SVG cut files. On my blog, I make a lot of earring shapes, and with the skills that I learned in the course, I can make any earring shape that I dream up now. It can be a fashionable shape like a teardrop or a feather, or I can make really fun and playful shapes like taco earrings and ice cream cone earrings. Whatever I dream up, I can create with the skills that I learned in this course. And the other great thing about this course is Jennifer gives you all the information you need if you want to start sharing your files or selling your cut files. Things like how to prepare your file so that the buyer can open it easily, how to prepare the file with all the different file versions that the buyer needs. Everything you need to start selling your digital files if that's what you choose to do. So I highly recommend this course for anyone who is creative and wants to take their creativity to the next level, either by making their own fun designs to cut for friends and family and make lots of creative gifts, or if you want to start your own creative digital file side hustle or small business. So I really want you to give a Cut Above a try. I think it's a great course, and I think you'll love it as much as I do. Thank you.